Okay, so we're gonna do questions. All my friends, or we have our friends, ask us questions because I only have 8 subscribers. So, yeah, here we go. Shannon has it on her phone, so we're gonna answer them.
All right. First question is your favorite workout routine.
Is that Maddie?
Yeah. Well, shout out Maddie.
Well, some people don't work out. But
I really don't work out. So I really don't have a favorite workout
I don't know
routine.
how broad she was going with that. If you want to do like, yeah, Megan is
Cardio.
fucking jacked.
No.
I can't swear in this.
I do cardio. Megan.
Cardio.
Megan does not.
Because
Okay.
that's broad.
Places you want to travel or favorite places you've been.
I want to go to Australia.
I want to travel Europe.
Probably Australia.
Sydney's in
That's a
Europe
pretty
right
cool
now.
place.
Is that where it's at?
Australia.
Yeah, Rome.
And
Cities
the
in Rome.
kangaroos.
Yes, and take cute boomerangs. A boomerang with a kangaroo.
God. Okay, fave movie. All-time favorite White Chicks.
Oh,
no
without a
fucking
doubt.
question.
Yep.
I shouldn't swear. Sorry.
I've been swearing so far.
Megan. White Chicks. Okay. What are you going to school for?
Exercise science.
Physical education.
Business finance. Where do you want to live when you're older?
Somewhere warm.
New York City's cute, but it's expensive.
Yeah, probably New York City. I have the biggest pimple on my face.
Or yeah, I like being warm, but I like a rotating of seasons. I
Yeah,
don't like,
I like spring, fall, winter,
I
all
don't
that.
like just living in cold or living in like warm.
Mhm.
Megan's like Florida.
How old are you?
19. I had to think about it.
20.
20.
I'm a baby.
Oldest friend who you have and how much you love them.
Okay, so my oldest friend is the one that asked this question, and Cindy Wojcicki. Hopefully she doesn't care to say her last name, but I love her so much. She's my BFFL. They're all my BFFLs, but I've known Cindy since I was like in like preschool, and I've known Maddie as well. That as like long as that, and I love them so much. What about you, Shannon?
Probably Melissa.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out. Long
Subscribe,
time.
Melissa.
Subscribe, Melissa.
Megan.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know yours. Yeah.
No.
I gotta edit this.
Yeah, you do. All right.
Me.
My only friend.
That's so cute. All right, now we're gonna get a little into it. I just don't even think I should say that one.
How often do you fart? Shout out to Cindy. Never. Girls don't fart. Girls don't fart.
What's your favorite food?
I have a lot.
Are we going healthy or unhealthy?
Yeah. Okay. Healthy, I would say, this is a weird one, but prunes. I'm obsessed
My
with
mom likes
prunes.
prunes.
Unhealthy, I would definitely say pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
Always go for pizza.
My healthy is probably avocado toast. If that's even healthy, probably not really that healthy.
I think
Or
that's
like,
healthy.
or like yummy salads.
I don't know what my
Shrimp.
healthy is. Yeah. Healthy salads.
Yeah. What's your unhealthy?
Chicken Alfredo.
Yeah, you love
Ooh,
Alfredo.
That's so good. Good choice, Megan. Your favorite hair product?
It's a 10 leave-in product.
There's this one I got from the salon that I go to, but I don't remember. So.
I have the one that's called OUI. I don't know how you
Use
pronounce
hair
it.
products.
I'll send it to Taylor and she'll insta it right here. Insert it right there.
In the box below.
How did you all become friends? School, definitely
Yeah.
high school.
Track. with you
Track,
and me.
yeah. And then me and Megan had a lot of classes together.
Yeah. You and me
In
in
high
high
school.
school and being obsessed in the certificates.
Yep.
Yeah. So
Well, we've known each other for a while,
high
actually.
school.
Well, like, no, I remember we met at the baseball fields in, like, 8th grade. You and me.
Mhm.
Like, we met up, so we were
Yeah.
friends in 8th grade.
Yeah. If you had to be on a reality TV show, what would you want to be on?
Oh,
Wow.
that one, oh wait, that's not Siesta Key, or is that not
Yep.
reality?
It's
Is
reality. Yes, you can.
That
I don't know.
That
Big
or-
Brother?
Big Brother. Oh my
That's
God,
cool.
Big Brother. That's so cool.
You get, oh yeah, that's good.
Ew.
I know, I want this fucking,
Ooh.
all the balls are stuck and I don't want them.
Oh, that's gross.
Do you want them?
No, it's okay. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? I don't think I can say mine on this vlog because it will just be so embarrassing.
I know.
Yeah.
Yours is an animal.
No, something else.
Yeah.
don't
Mine's
know.
probably squid. That's not even that weird.
Yeah,
but, like,
I've eaten beaver before. It's kind of weird. But yeah.
I don't know what mine is.
I feel like you don't eat anything.
Yeah.
Like besides like basics.
Yeah. Have you ever broken a bone? No.
No.
Nope.
Knock on wood.
Yep. That's not wood, but nothing wood. Okay.
Dana gave.
Oh, any goals that you want to achieve this year?
30 pounds.
Okay, so we suck and did not end that video that we started, so we're ending it now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.